abeji benakinana na mwenda bamazire emishomo by'emikono omu mishomo etari emwe n'emwe ahari Presidential Industrial Hub omuri Kyenjojo bashabirwe okuteba bashomesibwa mu nkora.
Kaito mbyokusona twine kintu kibakweta kabu obugu n'omuntu akubatine cyaro kumanya mbongo mu kigambo cyo kusona niyo nkabandi kabu tinkahuraga kigambo cyo kusona
umuntu ogenda kusaba mulimu nasoga nakugaya nagamba zo kusobora atinka abisika abakazi kale numba tugaya muno gamba nkuru mkozi z'abasaija bitinyo nkaboleka ni nguma kanisa kikora.
For the hour of the Uganda Vocational Qualification Complex Level 1 certificate
itendekereri neritendeka bejo kurwo mu districts mukaga ahari Kyenjojo, Kyegegwa, Kamwenge, Kabarore, Kitagwenda hamwe na Bunyangabo.
Ninyenda kusima His Excellency the President of Uganda for being so thoughtful akatereza program age. EDGE program is one of the most successful programs of the government.
Tubungire inspection with Madam Barrett and the team from the Secretariat to their amazing things. Good artwork. Very innovative work. Abana banu mwetera mungabe. Mukozera mulema okuswarura ito abantu bazonyeni.
Mugenda mwoleke kisani kirungi mwoleke government ya NRM. Ekwebembe ba Yoweri Kaguta Museveni Babyface Akik Omwat nikeke kisane kyakozereki ekyakwenda mulinywe
abashikira hamukoro ogu okurwa mu office ya president basimire government okute amano mu nteekateeka y'okushoma eby'emikono mu ihanga.
Abana abenji abatire batine mu mukanga abatarashomye bika degree president akagayo yarondeki akwasa kwakora yashana yabegese mukono
omu butumwa bw'omukama wa Tooro obushomerwe William Kwemera Ngabo omuhwezi w'enganzi y'obukama bwa Tooro omukama hijire minyeto okurwa mu kwiga emirimo amano ngo bagato mu kugihangahangaho.
When formal education was introduced in Uganda, the purpose was to create a workforce of white-collar workers to support the Protectorate administration. And up to today, there still exists a big and wrong mindset in Uganda that education is meant to prepare people for white-collar formal sector employment for life with an attendant pension on retirement.
Omugandi abebembeza okuvugana kw'abejaba kugenderera okubangura bejo mu mico n'emitwarize hamwe n'emishomo yabo.
Tekoko gizirota oshomere kandi onerevo yo gizirota oshikireho hati nimanyisa itwa ba primary twabana tushoma ntusekwa kwetenga okushoma tukongeraho tukaka a level era tubase kuba successful kandi tukabona tukujasta bituru kwetenga omagara gitu
emico Wana bwo kutureba hananye na nababona bazire bitu nabashomesa bitu bona nabajenyi bitu omuntu weno wo kureba ine cyari emicwe tukwe
ayishomero ndiyo rumwe dano mugura ka rukiko yahabeje bishomerera uniform yebyemizano nko muringo gumwe ogwo kwagira entaranta zabeji.
Ntwenda kutwara umugisha gwo kusima Honorable Dan mugura ka rukiko kandi tumusime ahabwo busaki abo kuhereza abana bitu ebitabo uniform
enshonga enkuru ahabwenje Honorable Dan mugura ka rukiko na supporting ebyemizano no kugira ngo abantu twena ntucumangwe ebyemizano nabyo nibikuru ogisire ahabyo kushoma ahabwo kubobwiro kuba ntorebe emizana hetwira abantu ebatwire hare
amakuru agagasha kwa Onesimus Ndianabo na Daniel Bingana.